Hey everyone, so I have all this leftover resin that I had poured and I didn't really use it for anything. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into a table here. Okay, so it's been a little while. I've had this table sitting here forever, and basically I'm just using old resin pieces, and at this point I'm just going to try to level it out because my workspace has gotten a little bit smaller and I'm going to have to move this out of here. So I'm just going to fill this up, try and get it level, put the legs on, then I'm going to take this out of the mold, flip it over, we'll see what it looks like. I'm thinking maybe put some vinyl on top to make a design with all the different colors of all the resin that's in there. So we'll see how that turns out. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and try and pour some more resin and make this level.
Every doubt in my head keeps asking me to hide it. Little spark in the corner of my chest. I chase it with a pencil, smear the fear, make a mess. What if this is ugly? What if this is wrong? Then I hear a whisper, just get it down, move on. I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can't hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud. If it's crooked, if it's strange, that's the shape of how I change. I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now. Late night, paint stained on my jeans. I'm stitching all the silence into crooked little scenes. You see a doodle, I see breathing space, a place where all my shadows can finally show their face. What if this is nothing? What if it won't last? Then I draw a doorway, step through it, not the past. I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can't hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud.
Okay, so it's the next day and I'm going to demold this finally. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this looks pretty. Look at that.
Mask on, gloves tight, little cups lined up in a row. Pick a shade, pick a shine, watch the colors race as they flow. Tilt the world on this canvas, let it run where it wants to go. Tiny galaxy on the table, spinning slow, art is so fun. I'm losing track of time, drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. gossip, chasing bubbles right to the side. Little sparkles stuck on my fingers, laughing cause I'm along for the ride. Every streak, every splatter tells a story I didn't plan. From the spill on my sweater to the shine drying on my hand. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Oh yeah. Who said perfect's the point of creation? I'm chasing joy, not chasing the grade. If it runs off the edge of the table, that's just part of the piece I made. Little worlds in a drying corner, proof that blank can turn into gold. Every layer a loud confession of all the colors I never told. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now. Every scribble, every try is a little louder. I'm alive. Every failure on the
Thanks so much for
floor is
watching, everybody.
meant to
Have a wonderful day.
something